Good morning. I'm Kason with TriVan Truck Body, and this morning I'm delivering a mobile command vehicle to the Albuquerque Police Department. And before I deliver it, I'd like to do a quick tour with you. Let's take a look. This was built on a 2023 Freightliner M2, and we built this 26-foot aluminum body on it to the customer's specifications. It's configured with two main parts. The front half is a mobile command area, and then the rear half is a SWAT deployment area. Before we go inside, I'd like to point out a few details about the exterior construction of this vehicle. It's all aluminum construction. We use an extruded aluminum snap lock panel that just provides great strength and durability. Here we've got our DC electrical battery bank. So we've got six 6-volt batteries that are wired together to produce 12 volts and a good size reserve of 12-volt power. And then those are connected to a 3,000 watt inverter inside. Also, they're configured to run or to charge off of the alternator from the chassis, and they'll separate automatically so that you cannot kill your start batteries by leaving lights on inside. Next to that, we have this 10,000 watt Cummins Onan diesel generator. Plenty of power to provide for all your electrical needs inside. Also, nicely sound attenuated. We've got it, the compartment itself is well insulated, and then it's also installed with rubber isolation from the compartment itself. So this is quite quiet inside. And at multiple locations on both sides of the truck, we've got regular storage compartments, all aluminum construction. Another nice detail on this truck is all the electrical on the exterior. We've got lots of lighting on this one. This one has these puddle lights, we call them. They illuminate the entire area around the truck when you put it in reverse, or you can manually put it on just via a switch on the dash, but it illuminates the area all around the truck without being in your eyes. Then up top, we've got scene lights, red and blue emergency lights as well. On the back corner, we've got these telescoping scene lights, which provide a lot of light for the outside area here. You can see the backup camera up there as well. Since this is used as a SWAT deployment vehicle, you can see that they've got a big staircase at the back and it's a 42-inch wide rear door. I've just flipped down that rear step, and you can see that it's easy to flip down first of all, and it makes it very easy to get in and out of the truck. On the right side, we've got the underfloor storage compartments, as well as a monitor panel mounted outside. And then there's an 12-volt powered awning on the right side of the truck that just provides covered area for a nice briefing area if necessary. Now let's go check it out inside. We're standing facing forward in the front command area. You can see that on the left side, or the road side, we've got 2 workstations with 8 monitors and overhead storage compartments here. All aluminum construction, good LED lighting inside, and simple hardware. On the front wall, we have, or the over cab storage area, you can see 2 equipment racks, and those are connected via these overhead raceways to anywhere in the vehicle. So you can add wiring anywhere in the vehicle very easily. And that includes to the antenna racks or antenna rails up on the roof. Another nice detail on this one is that we have cut out the back of the cab and the front of the body, and you've got easy access from the cab into the back part of the vehicle. The right front corner, small kitchenette with a microwave, there's a coffee maker, and a refrigerator. More storage here, and a small countertop space. Then you've got this sliding partition wall or partition door that leads into the rear area. So this is where they will have their SWAT deployment. So storage in a lot of locations here for their gear. Narrow but comfortable seating, all of it with storage underneath. Your Your electrical panel is right up here. 12 volt DC and 120 volt AC are both administered out of here. Here's the control panel for your inverter, and then there's the remote start panel for the Cummins generator. Dometic air conditioners mounted on the roof up there, and then we also have USB charge ports at a number of locations throughout. There's another fridge at the right front corner of the SWAT area, and then you can also see that we've got these mounting points for those conference tables, so I'll set those up for a second. And now you can see we have the conference table set up. Easy to get in on this side, and enough room to walk to the back from this side. Underneath this bench, there's also a Webasto diesel heater. And again, we've got roof-mounted air conditioners, as well as exhaust fans. Another air conditioner up here, carbon monoxide detector. Also, all this lighting can be configured to operate in red as well for good night vision. And it's the same setup here over the work surfaces. These can be configured to run red as well. In the front, we have pretty standard configuration here. We have a Whelen light controller, which also controls your scene lights, those puddle lights I was mentioning earlier, and then all the flash patterns on the traffic advisor at the back. There's a PA and a safety vision video monitoring system on here as well, which is connected to a 2 terabyte DVR. Also, it's worth pointing out what a nice job we've done on this through cab cutout. So there's a rubber gasket between the body and the cab itself that allow the two to move independently of each other. We've done a nice job of fabricating that out of aluminum. It's all TIG welded and then covered with bed liner. And then a nice detail here, also a courtesy step, so you're not stepping on that rubber boot. And with the cab, with the cutout going through the roof, it actually makes it quite easy to get from the front to the back without any interruption. I hope that gives you a good idea of how we built this vehicle for this customer. We'd love to talk to you about your specialty vehicle project, so please get a hold of us. Also, if you'd like to see more of these kinds of videos, please click the subscribe button and the like button, and you'll be sure to be notified whenever we make another one of these. Thanks for watching. I'm Kason with TriVan Truck Body. Take care.